Hi there. It's me Nurul again here. Welcome back to my channel. In previous video I had shared with you on how to make complete evaluation on radiographic image of oblique rib. If you haven't watched the video, you can check it out in the playlist of this channel. Now, let's check whether you can grab the knowledge by doing this tutorial. Check out this image and make your evaluation based on placement method that I teach you before. Pause this video to concentrate on the image, and scan the QR code to access the answer sheet I provided. I will check your submission and respond to you via email. Happy studying everyone. Hope you can respond to me because I am waiting. This education journey is still way to go. I will provide you with more educational video on radiographic image evaluation. See you later. Bye.